Hey everybody, it's David here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Salesforce integration in hotglue. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go make a flow where we can put it in. So this flow we're going to put it in is going to be called, let's say, sales. And so I'm just going to put sales here. Then I'm going to put connector sales data here. I'm going to add an icon to this, so we'll see later in the widget that you'll be able to see this icon when you connect your data. And let's just hit save and continue. Next, we're going to add the Salesforce tab. So I'm going to quickly grab the OAuth credentials. Great. So now we have the credentials and we're all ready to go with Salesforce. So now that you saved it, you click connect and you just are asked to log in one more time, or it automatically logs you in. And you successfully linked Salesforce as a tab for that specific flow. The next thing you're going to want to do is open up a Jupyter notebook to add any potential scripts that you may want to add. So in this case, we're going to open up this Jupyter notebook and wait for it for 1 second. Okay, we're going to click connect. And here's the Jupyter notebook page. It's loading. Fantastic. So now that we have this here, I'm going to go and get an ETL script and put it in this ETL folder that I just clicked on. So let me just grab it. Here it is. And this ETL script is specifically for leads within Salesforce. As you can see, it's a really simple one from our open source package. So I'm going to click deploy ETL now from this hotglue tab in the top left. And when I do this, it will allow me to kind of have this pushed out and ready for this specific flow to use. So it'll take about 5-10 seconds for the ETL to deploy. There it is. It's all done. And now we can head back to hotglue and make sure that everything works correctly. So let's go back to hotglue and let's check the field map. So we just talked about leads, and so what you're going to do is you're going to search lead within here, this field mapping, and go and click that gear icon. Once you do, you can select whatever you want to pull over and make, part of your Salesforce integration. I'm going to just pick a couple of these. And you can see there's obviously tons of stuff. I'll just click confirm, then I'll click save, and it'll all be done. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a target. So when it comes to adding a target, you can just go click S3. In this case, we're just going to use S3. I'm going to get my credentials from S3. I'm not going to show you that just because it's pretty self-explanatory, but you're just going to put the information in, just put the key ID in. Now I'm putting the access key. The bucket name is now going to go in. And we'll just make sure we have the bucket path prefix correct. Perfect. So let's click save and continue now. And we don't need to save anything. Great. So now we're going to click finish. And this will take us to our jobs. As you can see, we've already ran some jobs. I'm going to go back to the sources now. Click Salesforce and run a test job using those 3 dots at the top right. As you can see, we started the test job and the ETL has started. I skipped ahead a little bit here, and now you can see the job has completed. The ETL script worked, and everything is good. So now we're going to go and see what it would look like for your user and preview the widget. So as you can see, we were working in the sales flow earlier, as I mentioned. And so you can see the Salesforce option is there. All you have to do is click on it, log in, and hotglue will connect the data, and it'll be all linked. And that's all you have to do. Thank you guys so much, and I hope this explained how you can link Salesforce using hotglue.